Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 different solutions if you're facing the problem that your Mac or MacBook is unable to detect any external USB drive, hard drive or any other external storage. So make sure to watch this video till the very end because the last solution is going to work for most of the users out there. Anyways, let's begin the video. Before I begin the video, I just want to say that if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel and enable bell notification so that you get notified for the latest upcoming videos because this motivates me a lot to make more useful content like this. Anyways, let's move towards solution number 1. The first solution is actually pretty simple, which is to unplug your external storage device, replug it in on your Mac but on another port because sometimes your Mac port is not working and changing the port might solve. And secondly, if you are using a converter like me because your Mac supports a type C port, what you can do is to actually move your external storage, unplug the converter. If you have another one lying around, just plug it in on the external storage device and replug your storage device to your Mac. Maybe there is an issue with your converter, so this might also solve the problem. If this is still not working, then we can move towards solution number 2. For the second solution, we are going to need a Windows machine because we are going to check whether the external device is visible on the Windows machine or not. If it is not visible, then it means there is some problem with the external storage device. So for that, you are going to plug in your external device to your Windows machine. And on the Windows machine, we are going to open File Manager and it should show our external device. In my case, it is showing HD pen drive, and if I open it, it's going to show you the files. If the files are or the external drive is not showing in Windows machine, then it means there is some problem with your external storage device. Anyways, if it is showing, then we can move towards the checking format of the external device. So for that, just simply right click on it and go to properties, and you can see that the file system is NTFS. So if your external device is in NTFS, then most probably your Mac may have some problem detecting it. It doesn't mean that Mac does not support it. In most cases Mac works with NTFS, but in some cases it fails to detect it. So in order to format in the correct format, first of all you need to open your external drive and make a backup of your external drive folder, because when we are going to format the drive, all the files within your external storage will be removed. So first, most importantly, make a backup of your data on any other PC or on this Windows PC. In order to format on Windows, just right click on your external drive. You're going to go to an option saying format right here. Here in file system, select FAT32 or exFAT. For Mac and Windows, if you're going to use the same drive, then I recommend you formatting in exFAT format. And after that, just click on start. And when you're going to plug in your drive to your Mac again, it should appear on your Mac. If that solution does not work, then we can move towards the final third solution. For the final solution, you're going to connect your external drive with your Mac. And now in my Mac, if I go and open Finder, you can see on the left in location, it's only showing my MacBook and not the external storage device. So in order to solve this, just simply go to desktop, click on command space, it will open Spotlight, type disk utility, open disk utility app, and from here it's going to show you your Macintosh hard drive, but in external it should show your external storage device. So if I click on it, it's showing a data hard disk drive. It's a USB external drive. Its total storage is 2 terabyte, so it is not mounted. So basically this problem occurs because you unplug a storage device from your MacBook without unmounting it, and when you replug it again, your Mac is unable to read it. So to solve this problem, on the top right you have this mount option. Just click on this mount option and it should be available on your Mac again. You can see used space and free space, and on the desktop it is showing my external drive. If I close disk utility, open the external drive, it's going to show me all the files that are present in my external drive. And now when you are going to unplug it from your Mac in the future, make sure on the external drive click on this unmount button, and after that remove it from your Mac. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.